Sharp-shinned hawks are small hawks in the subfamily Accipitrinae. Thus, they are more closely related to other accipiters, such as goshawks, northern harrier hawks, and Cooper's hawks than they are to, say, red-tailed hawks. Differences can be observed in flight with the accipiters. For example, their wings are shorter than the longer wings found in buteo hawks. As is typical in accipiter hawks, the tail is longer than that observed in buteo hawks, and it is narrower rather than being fan-shaped. In the sharp-shinned hawk, the tip of the tail is squarish and may show a notch in the center, and this can help you distinguish between this species and the similar Cooper's hawk. In sharp-shinned hawks, the head is noticeably smaller than is typical in hawks and smaller than the similar Cooper's hawk. Once again, this could be something you use to distinguish between them. In flight, the head may not protrude far past the wings. Sharp-shinned hawks are small hawks. The males are only a little larger than blue jays and thus are the smallest hawks of the United States and Canada. Females are a little larger, as is typical in raptors, and female sharpies are about the same size as male Cooper's hawks, and thus it is sometimes difficult to distinguish between them. The preferred habitat of sharp-shinned hawks is that of dense forests, where they hunt along the edges and in gaps. They prey primarily on songbirds, and so can be seen observed at bird feeders preying on songbirds, and songbirds may offer up alarm calls when they observe them. These small hawks can also feed on rodents, reptiles, amphibians, and insects such as dragonflies. Do sharp-shinned hawks migrate? Well, they are partial migrants, meaning that while some populations do, others do not. So some may migrate to the southern U.S. or as far as Central America, while other populations, even those living in the northeast U.S., may remain in their breeding grounds throughout the year. And there are populations of the species which has a broad range living in South America as far south as northern Argentina.